During evidence recording, when can a witness be asked a leading question?
Witness can be asked leading question most commonly during cross examination. और क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्ट करने वाला कौन होता है? The lawyer of the opposition. But the second stage when a leading question can be asked to a witness is during examination in chief when a witness turns hostile.
Who is a hostile witness?
A hostile witness is a witness who either changes the statement that he has earlier given to police during initial interrogation or tries to hide a vital part of that statement.
Then what is perjury and is it punishable?
Perjury is defined in section 191 IPC and it says that giving false evidencing under oath in the court of law is perjury. And yes, as it is defined in IPC, it's a crime and it is punishable under section 193 of IPC for up to 7 years of imprisonment.
Can a judge also ask questions to a witness?
Yes, a judge can ask question to a witness and he can ask that at any stage of evidencing.